As recent laser industry is developing rapidly, a new era of laser-based fabrication has come all over the world. Steel cabinet housing, medical device, solar electric panel, automobile production, shipbuilding, aerospace. Laser is used everywhere. SENFENG sets its mind to provide global customers with metal forming automation solutions. It is headquartered in Jinan, China, taking into account of production, R&D, and global sales. We have expanded our scope of service to 100+ countries and regions. After 20 years of strenuous efforts, SENFENG can offer custom-made solutions. Based on its rich experience in food production lines regarding metalworking, and full coverage from basic components to intelligent manufacturing solutions, namely laser cutting, bending, welding, cladding, automation, and new energy, on the runway of high technology, so as to offer one-stop solutions to different industries. And tailored to all customers' needs by offering technically mature and highly efficient solutions. As a product-based company, we have deeply recognized the importance of after-sales service. Until now, we have built multiple technical service centers in global, just to keep all users work normal, provide global customers with metal forming automation solutions.